Okay, so some of you have been having trouble with the 8.07 assignment for the Dave Ramsey course. And so I'm going to walk you through how to complete this assignment successfully. We also have a document on the resource site. So if you go up to the top of your announcement page and over to the right side, you'll see the big orange button that says resources. If you click on that, that takes you to the Dave Ramsey help site, and you'll see lots of resources for all different assignments that will help you. So the first thing we're going to do after reading our directions is download the Make Your Money Grow document. I have already downloaded this. This is the document that you're going to fill out, save, and then attach to submit for 8.07. I've highlighted a few reminders here. Dave Ramsey advises to invest 15% of the annual household income, and also to take advantage of a match and fund 401ks first. Above the match, we're going to fund our Roth IRAs, and if there's no match, we're going to start with the Roth IRA. When you combine the contributions for the 401k and the Roth IRA, that will add up to your 15% of the annual household income. So we want to make sure that we're carefully reviewing the scenarios so we know exactly what we're doing, and you will need a calculator for this activity. So let's scroll down a bit. And we're starting off with Joe. And it says Joe will take advantage of the company match, 5% of salary, then put the rest in a Roth IRA. So before we can even start with the 401k, we need to calculate the 15% of Joe's annual salary. In order to calculate the percentage of his annual salary, we need to convert the percentage to a decimal. And most of you already know to convert that, you're just going to move your decimal point 2 places to the left. So 15% is the same thing as 0.15, and we're multiplying that because it's 15% of. Whenever you see the word of in any kind of a word problem, that means multiply. So we're multiplying that times his annual salary, which is $40,000. And that gives us $6,000. So his total annual investment, the total contribution, is going to be $6,000. Now we're going to figure out what the contribution will be for his 401k. And we know he is going to invest 5% into his 401k. So again, we're going to take our calculator, clear it out, and we're taking 5%. When we move our decimal point over, we have 0.05 times 40,000, and that gives us 2,000. So Joe is going to put $2,000 into his 401k. Now, if Joe is investing a total amount of $6,000 for retirement, and $2,000 of that is going into his 401k, we're looking to see what the remainder is to go in the Roth IRA. So we're just subtracting the $2,000 from the $6,000, which gives us $4,000. And that's all we need to do for Joe's, let's highlight that. That's all we need to do for Joe's contributions, and that is done. So let's take a look at one that has no match. Okay, so we're looking at Tyler and Megan. It says Tyler and Megan can each fund a Roth IRA, then put the remainder in the 401k. With no match, fund the Roth first based on the 2013 contribution of $5,500 per individual. Okay, so again, the first thing we need to figure out is the total annual investment. So we're again taking 15% of the total annual salary. Getting our calculators, clearing it out, we have 0.15 times 105,000. And this is Tyler and Megan's combined annual salary. And the combined annual salary is going to be, for the investment, is going to be $15,750. So that's their total annual contribution right here. Okay, now we know we're going to start with the Roth IRA, And based on the 2013 contribution of $5,500 per individual, we're going to figure out what the contribution is going to be for the Roth IRA. Since there's two of them, they can each contribute $5,500. So when we add that together, that gives us $11,000. So $11,000 of this $750 is going to go into the Roth IRA, and we need to figure out what the difference is between these two and put the remainder in the 401k. So we have our calculator, and we're going to subtract the $11,000 from the total annual investment, and that gives us $4,750. And we are complete for Tyler and Megan. If you have any questions about this assignment, please use the document that is in the resource section, as well as reach out to your teacher. Thank you and good luck.